everyone, welcome to Sajjay News. Now we are here with the fifth part of trigonometry. In this video, first of all we will discuss trigonometric identities. Okay, right? This is the identity of trigonometry. Now I am going to prove it. First of all, we have to take that a triangle ABC where angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equals to 180 degrees. Right, sum of all angles of the triangle is 180 degrees, okay? Now, A plus B plus C is equals to 180. I am going to take the LHS and prove the RHS. Now taking LHS, sin 2A plus sin 2B plus sin 2C. I am going to take these two in one bracket. See here, sin C plus sin D. The formula is 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. Okay, this is the formula. And now 2 gets cancelled. Sin of 2A plus 2 sin B plus C into cos B minus C. Now, in the place of 2A, or first let's see this. In the place of B plus C, B plus C, we can write B plus C as 180 minus A, or else pi minus A, as pi is nothing but 180 degrees. So we get sin 2A plus 2 sin B plus C is equals to pi minus A into cos of B minus C. Sin 2A can be written as 2 sin A cos A, okay, as a multiple angle formula, plus 2 sin pi minus A. Pi minus A lies in the second quadrant, where in second quadrant sin is positive, all silver teacups in the second quadrant. So we get sin A into cos B minus C. Now from these two, we can take 2 sin A common. I am taking 2 sin A common. Cos A plus cos B minus C. Okay, this is the thing we are left with. Now, 2 sin A into, see here A. From here, we can take A is equals to 180 minus B plus C. Okay, I am sending the both B plus C term to RHS so that I can get the A value. A is equals to pi minus B plus C. Cos of pi minus B plus C plus cos of B minus C. Cos pi minus B plus C. This is in the second quadrant. In second quadrant, only sin and cosecant are positive, else other are negative. So cos is negative. 2 sin A into cos of pi minus B plus C is minus cos B plus C plus cos of B minus C. Now, 2 sin cos B minus C minus cos B plus C. Now see here, we had a formula cos C minus cos D, which is minus 2 sin C plus D by 2 into C minus D by 2. 2 sin C plus D, B minus C plus B plus C. C gets cancelled and we get 2B by 2, and next is sin of B minus C. B minus C into, see here we get B minus C minus of B minus C. B gets cancelled and we get minus 2C by 2. Now I'm writing here 2 sine 2 gets cancelled, minus of 2 sine b as minus sine of minus theta is equals to minus sine theta. I have said these basic properties in 4th part and 5th part. You can watch that. Minus 2 sine b into minus 2 sine c. Minus minus gets plus. 2 into 2 4 sine a into sine b into sine c. See, this is our RHS. Hence proved. Okay, this is the proof for this identity. Similarly, now I am going to do proof of cos 2a plus cos 2b plus cos 2c. And the next one is similarly as sin cos 2a plus cos 2b plus cos 2c is equals to minus of 1 plus 4 cos a into cos b to cos c. Now let's prove it. Let us take first LHS, and the condition is same. This is a triangle ABC, and a plus b plus c is equals to 180 degrees. So now taking LHS, cos 2a plus cos 2b plus cos 2c. I am taking these two in a bracket. Same as we did in the sine, same here as cos c plus cos d. Cos c plus cos d is equals to 2 cos c plus d by 2 to cos c minus d by 2. 2 gets cancelled. We get cos 2a plus 2 cos b plus c into cos b minus c. Now see here, b plus c. b plus c can be written as pi minus a. Cos of pi minus a is minus cos a, as pi minus a lies in the second quadrant. So cos 2a plus 2 cos a, sorry, here we get minus 2 cos a into cos b minus c. Now cos 2a in terms of cos, 2 cos square a minus 1 minus 2 cos a cos b minus c. Now taking cos common or 2 cos common, 2 cos a common, we get cos a minus cos b minus c minus 1. And the next step is 2 cos a into, in the place of a we can write pi minus b plus c, and same pi minus b plus c lies in the second quadrant. So in second quadrant cos is negative, so we get minus cos b plus c, minus cos of b plus c minus of cos b minus c and minus 1. Taking minus common, minus 2 cos a cos c plus cos d. 2 cos, c means b plus c, d means b minus c. So if we take b plus c plus b minus c, c gets cancelled and we get 2b by 2 into cos 2c by 2 minus 1. As here minus and minus, we can take minus common, 2 cos a into 2 cos b into cos 2c, sorry, cos c minus plus 1, minus of 2 to 4 cos a into cos b into cos c plus 1. See the RHS, minus of 1 plus 4 cos a cos b cos c, minus of 1 plus 4 cos a cos b cos c. So this is RHS, hence proved. Hope you understood the proofs. There are a lot of identities like this. I have given those all in the description. You can check there. And the next we will discuss trigonometric equations. There are some conditions you have to remember for solving trigonometric equations. Let's see them. If at all sin theta is equals to sin alpha, then theta is equals to n pi plus minus 1 whole power n alpha. The next is cos. If at all cos theta is equals to cos alpha, then theta is equals to 2n pi plus or minus alpha. Next is tan. If tan theta is equals to tan alpha, then theta is equals to n pi plus alpha. These are conditions. N belongs to I. I is integers, right? And the next three are, these are same. If sin square theta is equals to sin square alpha, cos square theta is equals to cos square alpha, tan square theta is equals to tan square alpha. The general solution is, these are general solutions. Theta is equals to n pi plus or minus alpha. Okay, you have to remember this. In this video, let's end up the concept related to trigonometry, and in the next video we will discuss problems on it. Okay, and there is a last topic, inverse trigonometry, which is if sin x is equals to sin theta is equals to then x, then theta is equals to sin inverse of x. This is a representation of inverse trigonometric functions. This is an example. Similarly, cos as cos inverse x, tan as tan inverse x, and same secant and cosecant cot. And now there is a table which consists of range and domain of sin inverse of x and all these 6 trigonometric functions. I have given the table in the description. You can check there. And I will write here also trigonometric function, range and domain. Sorry, domain and range. Domain and here range. This is the table. And first, sin inverse of x, cos inverse of x, tan inverse of x, secant inverse of x, cosecant inverse of x, cot inverse of x. Now, sin inverse of x. Sin inverse of x domain is from -1 to +1. And the range is from -π/2 to π/2. And then cos. Cos is from 0 to 1. Sorry, cos is also from -1 to 1. The range is from 0 to pi. Next is tan. Tan domain is R. The range is from -π/2 to π/2. Next is secant. R minus -1 to 1, and the range is from 0 to π/2 union π/2 to pi. The next cosecant inverse. R minus -1 to 1, and the range is from 0 to -π/2 to 0 union 0 to π/2. Now at last is cot inverse. I am writing cot inverse here. Is from, the domain is R, cot inverse, the domain is R, and the range is from 0 to pi. It is not clear here, but I have given a clear table in the description. You can check there. There are last two formulas. With that, we will end up the trigonometry concept part. And in the next video, we will discuss problems. The next two formulas are sin inverse of x plus sin inverse of y is equals to sin inverse of x under root 1 minus I square plus y under root 1 minus x square. And next is cos inverse of x plus cos inverse of y is equals to cos inverse of xy plus under root 1 minus x square into under root 1 minus y square. Okay guys, that's it for today. Please like, share and subscribe Satya News channel. If there are any comments or suggestions, please drop them in the comment box. Thank you.